That's exactly what has happened here. The ball has been thrown in. We have Abhimanyu Pathak and Simran Shekhar fighting for the ball. The ball is lying there. Again, very much in control. A long shot by Grossi, but not in the right direction. It is Grossi. Long shot again, clearing it completely. We have Abhimanyu Pathak and Grossi fighting for it. 8 goaler versus 4 goaler. This is Grossi. Grossi is still very much in control. Very much with the ball. Backhand of Abhimanyu Pathak, which didn't travel much, but it was good enough for Mazzini. Ball is still like this. Sameer Suhag picked it up on his near side. Sameer Suhag very much in control, followed by Mazzini. Left it for Mazzini. Mazzini is there on the ball. Long shot of Mazzini, and here we have. Whom do we have here? The ball got deflected, and this is none other than Simran Shekhar. Very much in control. A long shot. Ball didn't travel much. Absolutely lost the direction. Sameer Suhag told where he's going to direct his backhander. Didn't travel much. Abhimanyu Pathak coming from behind, covering up for it. The ball didn't travel much again, but Sameer Suhag coming from behind and picking up the ball. But before this, we have a whistle. Long pass race forward, and here we can see Max Charlton, but he is being marked by Sameer Suhag. Max Charlton and Sameer Suhag, and this is Akhil Sarohi who's picked up the ball. Akhil Sarohi pumped the ball up. Max Charlton coming from behind, picking it up near side. Missed the bouncing ball. Ball is lying there, and we have Simran Shekhar coming from behind. Simran Shekhar, the ball is lying there, and this is Mackenzie coming, claim the line, hit a underneck shot, clearing it, and we can see Abhimanyu Pathak galloping on his mare called Jazz. This is Abhimanyu Pathak and Max Charlton are tapped by Sameer Suhag. Abhimanyu Pathak tried to pick the ball up, did. Long shot is forward. We can see Max Charlton coming from behind, but this is Mazzini who placed himself in position, missed the bouncing ball. Ball is lying there. Max Charlton hooked by Sameer Suhag. Sameer Suhag along with the ball, but turning it, very much in control still with the ball. He missed the bouncing ball. Ball is lying there. Told to be left by Mazzini. Ball was left, and Sameer Suhag. I can see Sameer Suhag turning, and I can see Mazzini turning as well. Ball has been hit back, and this is Akhil Sarohi who claims the line. We have Grossi. We have Grossi and Max Charlton not at all happy with the vesting. Okay, it's not been thrown again.
I'm melting. So hot here.
Navjot Singh Sandhu not very happy with the lineup, asking them to line up properly. The ball has been thrown in. This is Abhimanyu Pathak who picked the ball on his near side, and also on the offside. This is Abhimanyu Pathak going free, leaving his opponents behind. Abhimanyu Pathak on his beautiful grey mare called Jazz. Abhimanyu Pathak is there. It can be dangerous. He'll have to cut the ball in, but whom do we see? It is Max Charlton. No, it's not Max Charlton, but the backhand has been missed, and coming from behind was Mazzini. He pumped the ball up. Ball is going right direction. Was attempted to be stopped, but it was too. This is who? This is Grossi taking the ball towards the sideboard, looking for his other player, Sameer Suhag, right behind him, claiming the line, troubling him, and there's Sameer Suhag who pumped the ball up. Sameer Suhag, and this is Max Charlton coming from behind, pumped the ball up, and a backhander by Mazzini. What a phenomenal backhander. We see Abhimanyu Pathak turning, Abhimanyu Pathak all alone, very well. Simran Shekhar very well covered by Sameer Suhag, and a phenomenal goal if it all. Oh no, the ball went out, but it was a perfect team game play. Ball is right there, and let's see who's there. This was Mazzini and a phenomenal backhander. Whom do we have? We have we have Mackenzie. Mackenzie all alone. This is Mackenzie. He's got. Oh, he missed it. But we have his teammate coming from behind. He did tap the ball up, but the ball went out. Coming from behind, hitting a backhander, a short pass to his teammate. But the person who picked up the ball was Max Charlton. The ball hit Abhimanyu Pathak. Ball is lying there. Simran trying to pick up the ball on the near side. Well hooked by Abhimanyu Pathak, and coming from behind is Grossi. Grossi is very much in control. Sameer Suhag and Grossi. Sameer Suhag. Grossi hit a backhander. He missed. Ball is still lying there. But this was the first one to turn was Grossi himself. But certainly it did.
Forget it.
Goal again. And in anticipation, we can see the back and Max Charlton going up. Very much in position is Mazzini. Long shot by Mazzini, but didn't reach any of his forward, or it did. But we have Akhil Sarohi phenomenally met the ball, and we have Mazzini who met the ball again. A ball pumped ball is
there. Chance 3. Akhil has come back.
Okay, apparently a long shot, long pass to his forward. That is Akhil Sarohi. He's very much in control, very much calm, composed. But unfortunately, he did hit the ball out.
He's on the hotline. नवीन जी से नाल वो तो इलाज भी करवा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
I went there. He was like a chuturmurg like that. Can I hello sir? I can relax because there's a physiotherapist with one leg back here, one hand like that. Make a statue stay like this.
Well, you need to check out the safety of these bars.
They're all steel.
Yeah, sorry.
They may be steel, but उत्ते जड़ा लगे ना पतले जे फटे.
Jingle steel.
From the race course to the end of this thing is all gentle steel. But you must tell him that he's got polo sticks in the left hand and all his things.
On his shirt.
No, on the hoardings.
On the hoardings, yeah.
वो उल्टा करता है.
No, to balance it like this two, so he put the two on the other side with left.
Acha.
So it's something nice for you to say on the mic if you want to.
No, don't forget, yeah, he's got parliamentary privilege. He hauled up before the Lok Sabha.
So what he takes.
From the extending match, we have Geraldo Mazzini coming from
But I won't know. I
taking it
haven't
up,
watched elevation play. I haven't.
being hassled by Akhil Sarohi. Alternating shot to his forward, but which forward? There's no forward there. This is Geraldo Mazzini himself coming out, but we have Max Charlton. No, sorry, we have Grossi there, and we have Samir Suhag asking his teammate to leave it. Akhil Sarohi pinching up the loose ball, and there's a miss.
I think if Dhruvi is...
That's exactly what is happening. Samir Suhag keeping Akhil Sarohi off, and Mazzini building up the attack. Long shot to his forward. That happens to Abhimanyu Pathak, but he's been very well covered by Grossi. Grossi is there. Max Charlton hits a backhander, and Grossi is coming up again. We have Mazzini there hitting a backhander. Grossi stick up in here, but umpire not at all obliged. A backhander which is going in the right direction. We have Max Charlton coming from behind, pumping the ball up. We have Samir Suhag stopping the ball, but couldn't carry it along. And Mazzini coming from behind, making use of that stop. And this is Mazzini, very dangerously close to opponent's goal post. And a phenomenal goal by the teamwork taken. Well, nobody is watching, going and placing himself in the position where he
So I was here
knows
that they just have
that
to
he will be
win.
used. Ball has been thrown in again, going to his sideboard. Samir Suhag right there. He taps the ball up. Max Charlton stick up in here. Umpire not obliged. Ball is now with McKenzie, who pumps the ball up, and we can see Abhimanyu Pathak galloping on the line, and Simran Shergill all set to stop him. However, Simran Shergill, he was ridden off very well by Simran Shergill. Hit a backhander went and hit one of the ponies. No. Okay, alright. So here we have Max Charlton all on his own, on a very fast pony, being followed by Grossi. It is Max Charlton. We can see Abhimanyu Pathak going up, taking a shorter way to intercept him. The ball is with Grossi now, but it is not without a whistle. It's about a game which is played on horseback. There is Samir Suhag satisfied with the tee up, coming for the shot. Experience of an 8-goaler, a long shot where not in a very correct direction. He is being ridden off very nicely by one of the, and very dangerously close to enemy opponent goal post.
Jindal versus Sahara, this should be the final.
Okay, this is Samir Suhag. Samir Suhag attempted to hit a backhander. Missed the bouncing ball. Ball is there, and this is Grossi coming from behind, picking the ball up. He missed the bouncing ball. Ball is still lying there, and we have Max Charlton coming from behind. Max Charlton, and this is Mazzini and Grossi and Max Charlton, and very much keeping the ball in control, going towards the goal, and who flicked the ball out? This is Samir Suhag and Max Charlton. Ball is dangerously close to blue goal post. It can be very dangerous for Blues. But this is Abhimanyu Pathak, who did hit a long swipe but missed the bouncing ball. Ball is there right on the sideboard. Again, I can see Abhimanyu Pathak going up for a pass. Mazzini being disturbed by Grossi. Another blue going up, and in opposite entirely different direction, foxing his opponents. This is Samir Suhag, who knew where the pass is coming. Picking up the ball, missed the bouncing ball. Ball is lying there, and here we have Max Charlton right behind him. A backhander called by Grossi, stopped by Mazzini. So it is Grossi versus Mazzini. Mazzini taking all his time. He knows he is entitled to a free shot. Long pass there to his forward. Whom do we have here? We have Manu Pathak coming from behind and Simran Shekhar turning right in front of him.
Yeah, okay.
It's not even big enough to put this.
Oh, you got so many?
I have to give to people. I'll tell you later. That's not the thing. Just
She went to look? Oh, coffee is getting cold. I might have to have it. Auntie Dee, sure you don't want it? Going. Sorry? I don't know, I think she came now.
Looking forward to the party more than the polo. Thank you, Devashi. Have you started?
Yeah, we got to get Devashi to come.
Yeah,
Give her a call.
She's going for a wedding.
What is this, yaar? Buddhi ho gayi, wedding, shedding, nonsense. She'll come here and party with us.
Oh, Celia.
Raja Hanud.
Weather we've had over the weekend, the show still goes on, and in quintessential Garcha style, the sun has finally obliged us by coming out. The teams that are playing this match this afternoon are also now on the field warming up. Slight change in this afternoon's proceedings. Instead of playing the final of the Northern India Championship sponsored by Hotels by Garcha, we will be treated with an exhibition match with 2 8-goal players on each. Elevation team at number 1, Naveen Jindal MP.
Preacher's son, and when his daddy would visit, he'd come. Open up your heart, what do you feel?
Hello. Not even smiling. Smile when you're taking the picture.